If you want your house to be a home of happiness, of love, of harmony, then bring the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam into your homes. Learn, young man, how the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam would treat his wives, how they would treat him in return. Compete with each other. Who will follow the sunnah more? Make that your objective. Bring deen into your homes. And don't worry, it's not going to be dry or boring. It's going to be fun. It's going to involve entertainment. It's going to involve a bit of tourism. It's going to involve a lot of good things and fun and laughter, inshallah. Bring the sunnah into your home. Learn the sunnah method of treating your wives. Learn the sunnah method of treating your husbands. Inshallah, your home will become one of love and peace and harmony and bliss. May Allah make that so for you and for all our Muslim brothers and sisters out there.